Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. This is going to be another unboxing video, and this time I have got Masktime. So this is what it looks like. So if you're new to Masktime, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is, but if you've seen it all before and you just want to skip forward to seeing the actual contents, as always I will add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Masktime is a Korean sheet mask subscription box. Now it's a monthly subscription box. It costs £24.99 a month, free shipping within the UK. They also ship worldwide, which is brilliant, and there is extra shipping on top, but there is an option on their website that you can type in your country and that will bring up the shipping cost so that you have an idea how much extra you have to pay. You're free to cancel any time. Now they do come out in two boxes, so I've got the bigger box, which I believe is called a glow setter box, and in here contains 8 to 10 masks, and they do offer a smaller box, which is the glow starter box, which costs £9.95 a month and contains 4 masks. So you've got the option to have the bigger one or the smaller one. I have unboxed the smaller one on my channel, so I will add a playlist down below and all information related to this mask, the subscription, the website, if there's a refer a friend code I can find online, everything will be listed down below in my description. So click on the show more and that will bring it up and it'll all be down there. So this subscription box is great for trying Korean beauty if you've never tried it before. These masks are all cruelty free and they're usually trending masks and Korean favourites that we receive every single month. Oh, I also forgot to say that all these masks are suitable for all skin types, so they've been properly tested and everything beforehand and tried out before putting in these boxes. So you have got the option as well to buy one-off boxes, and I think they are free if you spend over £30 on their website, and then there's shipping on top if you don't. But as I said, I will link that down below, but it might be a good chance to have a look on their website to see past boxes if it's something that takes your fancy, just so that you get an idea of the sort of masks and things that you might receive. From memory of my last subscription, which I had 2 months ago, they also do like SOS boxes for specific skin types. So a specific skincare box for dry skin or greasy skin, etc. So I will seek that out and I will link them down below as well. So yeah, so Masktime kindly sent me this box in exchange for an unboxing video to show you guys what it's all about, to show you what you could get. Now they started doing this a good couple of months ago. I can't remember when it started, but they send them to me about every 3 months, so I've been receiving them now for quite a long while and I really appreciate it. And I love sheet masks, so yeah, we have a lot of fun at home here, me and my daughter. And look at that packaging, all sparkly, that's so pretty. We've got some cards here and those are all the masks, they're all on top of each other. You're not going to be able to see. There you go. So back to this big card here. This tells you everything you need to know about the products inside the box, because they're Korean sheet masks, a lot of the information on the back of them are in Korean. So they've written it all down in English, which is handy, So it tells you a little bit about them, tells you the pricing and everything like that. So at the end, I will top them all up and tell you what the value of this box is, which I really like doing. So some information about how to apply masks, and it says here, for better absorption of product into the skin, we recommend exfoliating before masking. Don't throw away any leftover essence in the packaging. Use on your neck and other areas that need some TLC. So I'll put this down to the side of me, and as I said, I'll refer to it as we go along. So our first mask is a in shower mask. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my gosh, you can see her wearing it there on your chin. Oh my gosh, I've never seen anything like this before. It just says leave on type. And yeah, in shower mask. So what's it say? Is it just for your chin then? It's by Mammond and it's in shower mask dewy glow moisturising, and the recommended retail price for this is £3.50. Steam and heat that occurs in the shower helps the skin absorb the mask ingredients. The dual sheet mask is like a steam towel effect. Ceramide strengthens the skin moisture barrier, while hibiscus extract and amino acid complex provides nourishment and hydration to the skin. Apply the mask before you shower. After the shower, lightly pat the mask dry, remove the mask, tap in remaining essence and continue with daily skincare routine. That is completely bonkers, isn't it? But oh my gosh, no, I love that. So our next mask, oh, it looks quite regal. What's this? Royal Crown Mask, Royal Triple Moisturising Essence by Frenvita. So that's what that looks like there. So this is Frenvita NMF Royal Crown Mask. Recommended retail price for this is £4. Formulated with patented NMF Royal Triple to provide moisturising and illuminating skincare with powerful moisturising properties. Amino acids and hyaluronic also helps to soften and hydrate skin from within. Rosemary, sage and aloe combined gives nutrition to the skin whilst calming any redness or sensitivity. That sounds wonderful, doesn't it? So that's the second one. Ooh, what gorgeous packaging. Oh my word. Milky Glow Recovery Mask. It's holographic. I'm not sure if you'll be able to pick it up. I'm not sure. Oh, I hope you can. That is amazing. I absolutely love it. It's completely holographic. So this is a NOHJ Nudge Milky Glow Recovery Mask. Recommended retail price is £3.50. Give your skin a milky glow this month and let skin recover after all the parties. Portulaca extract and milk enzymes help to calm irritated skin. Rice bran aids in nutrition and aloe helps to soothe redness. Wow, I'm not sure about the actual mask, but the actual packaging is stunning. Oh, that's really odd. But what is it? Yeah, it's a sheet mask. A sheet mask there. So that's our third one. Intensive moisture. And I can't read anything else. Intensive moisture. It's another sheet mask. They're all sheet masks. They're all, unless it's specifically for your chin or for your hands and feet. I have had those before. So this is by Iliune and it's a Camellia Oil Nutrition Mask. Recommended retail price for this is £3. For those of us suffering from dry patches, red cheeks or just overall dehydration, this is the mask for you. Focusing on cell regeneration, camellia oil is a great antioxidant and it also has cell protection function too. So no, that sounds great as well. Right, we got an eye patch now. So this is Too Cool for School Coconut Oil Serum Eye Patch. Hydrogen eye patch with coconut oil. Anti-wrinkle properties and brightening. So that's what that looks like there. So this is Too Cool for School Coconut Oil Serum Eye Patch. Recommended retail price is £4.50. This jelly textured hydrogel patch holds 100,000 ppm of Brazilian coconut water, leaving your under eye area saying ah. Formulated with highly active ingredients such as niacinamide and adenosine, it brightens and reduces the look of wrinkles around the eye area immediately. Nutrients from sea buckthorn extract and energizing acai palm extract deliver vitality to dull looking eyes for an instant pick-me-up. Well, I'm not sure about those ingredients whatsoever. I'm sorry if I'm not saying them right, but they sound, yeah, I can't wait to try it. So next item, we've got a Mask Cream Intense Sheet. Now that just looks nice, doesn't it? Look at that. Ooh, there you go. So what's the information say? So this is by The Face Shop. Mask Cream Intense Sheet and Soothing. Recommended retail price is £4. This intensely nourishing mask sheet with cream essence has the effect of an entire jar of cream. The dense microfiber sheet adheres closely to the skin, providing soothing comfort and revitalizes the look of tired skin with the use of peptides and quinoa. Formulated without parabens, the gel cream formula effectively calms sensitive skin, bringing back that healthy glow. That sounds gorgeous. Oh wow. Okay, next one. M&F Black Aqua Ampule Mask. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's what that looks like. Bit different. This is by Blumai and this is an NMF Black Aqua Ampule Mask. Recommended retail price is £3. For those that suffer from dry and flaky skin, containing charcoal to balance out oil and water which is needed in dry skin too. It refreshes pores and clears the skin of impurities. Aloe extract soothes skin. So now that looks pretty cool. So that's that one. Next one is by Mamonde, I think it is. There's two. So we've got Mix and Match. We've got two there. So they mix and match. So I'm assuming, well no, I'm not going to assume, there's no point, I'm just going to read what's it say. So these are by Mamonde and the recommended retail price is £3 each. We've chosen a combination for you all this month that will provide firming care but also hydration since we are in the colder season. Plumpy Bounce Orange for the upper part of your face. This hydrogel mask is infused with camellia extract, delivering moisture to the forehead, eliminating fine lines and wrinkles. The lower part is the moisture holding blue, containing a cream essence with narcissus extract and ceramide, which delivers moisture and clear, bright skin. Oh, okay. So it's like that. So orange on top. So I'm going to look like that. No, I like the idea of that. Okay, and then we got one left. One left, and what is this one? Gold Propolis Injection Mask, Premium Nutrition and Firming by Banobagi. I can't pronounce it, sorry. But that's what that looks like there. The recommended retail price of this is £4, and it says the line of injection masks was created personally by a group of dermatologists at the most famous cosmetic surgery clinic in Korea, Banobagi Clinic. I think I've said that right. Each mask has the same real effect as an aesthetic injection depending on your different types of sheets. Its formulation contains glycerin, which helps in maintaining moisture levels in the skin. Gold extract provides anti-aging properties, and propolis aids in skin generation and nutrition. Oh my gosh, so I'm just going to gather them all up, and I'm going to top all the price up as well. So all of these masks come to around £32.50. Now my maths isn't good, so if I'm wrong I'll mention it down below, but yeah, £32.50. So you've got some really interesting masks here. That's what I love about Masktime, because it's different, completely different. So yeah, so those are the masks for December. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you think it's a good box? Is there other Korean sheet masks subscription boxes out there? Or if they are, how do they compare? All your opinions and thoughts, I'd love to know, so pop them down below. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight.